Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, we will have something work to do now, and I have to share something. My bike, my own bike, because I have my own bike, and it's been stopped running for a few months. And I cannot use because of the carburetor. It's leaking, and the gasoline's it's leaking, so I'm afraid to use it, and also the radios. Yeah, let's take a look. So the guy, he come here and he is buying now the new carburetor to swap this. So the carburetor is from here, and this is the real carburetor. Actually, this is the second hand already. When I put, because this is the third times that I have to I have to change the carburetor. What are you talking? And as you can see, this XRM 110 carburetor, and it's not right. So I let him to buy the new one because it is a second hand. And look at this. It's broken, or this cement. Don't touch, don't touch. So this bike now, it's under fixing. And also this one, cable, the gasoline cable. It's very hard when I squeeze over the paddle. So he's gonna fix for that. And yeah, it's a lot's problem. Also the adjustment for the brakes, the chain. Also he had to do that later. And all the labor is not expensive. It's just 200 pesos, $4 only. Because I have to fix this. So during to my son school days, go back to school, I have to use to drop him, because I have another bike. I might have a bike, but I can't use that. I can't handle because it's too heavy and big. Maybe I can use by myself, but I can't carry the passenger. So that's why I want this to fix. That is a spark plug. Wow, this is rusted. The rubber is already messed up. Spark plug is, I think that was a new. And it's quite junk, this motorbike. Balasang ano bala? Tai. Kay tabak lang ko lang kasi.
Sarap lagay, ma'am.
Ha?
Kaya talaga na.
Ka?
Talaga.
Pandaron?
Talaga na lang daw.
Lugsi.
Sambay. Boleh sambay na lang.
Ay, kay, ano ni, ang iyani nga, ang magpuga ka bala? Kadalagan. Iyawan ko puga, tapos gapilit sa. Hindi siya magbalik. Sige ka lang kon. Dalagan nga. Maski gusto mo sa pundohon. Tinadlokan ko kay basi wala, hindi ko makontrol.
Mas ibang iPad yan.
Oo. Ay, malana siya. Kung pa andaron siya gandarman, nagligat di kuan galing kay sa carburetor na lang guro tong jutay nga gasolina.
Kung niya wala sa gasolina eh.
Why ko na gyud patughungan kay hindi man magamit nga tubod ng Japon.
Oo. Lalo pala sa Dio. Mahok na.
Tapos yung tambutsoys nga
Sungaw.
sungaw.
Ipaano mo daw eh. Pawilding mo.
Sa diin may building.
Dablo. May mga ano na yung Carmila na yung ano.
Sa may Carmela, sa may
Masat na sidecar. Dito? Sa may likod, sang sinig, sang ano daw, sang...
switch niya.
Paling lima, Rio, sus lang. Switch.
Pwede mo na makayo.
Baklan sa lote.
Isang switch.
Switch. Wala ka ito. Okay. Paling baklan na lang.
Nakusog iyang ano. Iyang tubod.
Makarong nga sa luwa. Ang tabag mo yun naman.
Alright. Finally, it's finished. And he fixed it. And also the other problems. For the lights, he fixed in the switch. So I already been I test drive, so it works good. Well, we spent 1,300 pesos for everything, for the parts and the labor. So now it's ready to ride. You wanna go with me? Right. So that's it. Okay, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.